Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today we are going to be playing with some glitter and using up some old scrap clay. So the very first thing you're going to do is just get any scrap clay that you have, it doesn't matter the color, and roll it out. And this is on my middle section of my pasta machine, so about that thickness if you do not have a pasta machine. And then I have my square cutter, and I'm just going to cut out a few squares here. All right, so keep the extra that you have off to the side because we may add more colors. I'm going to start out with 3 to begin with. Get a sheet of paper, and this will end up catching all your glitter that falls off of your clay here. So I have a beautiful, this is like a bronzy orange. So I'm just going to pour some on. Ooh, ooh. See? Good thing I had that paper. All right, so get that all covered real well. And I'm just pushing this around. And then I'm going to shake it. Put that off to the side. And now clean up this mess. I am so glad that I had this paper, because that would not come off my silicone very easily. All right, so get your next piece. Let me close this up. And now I have like a beautiful blue. This is like almost like a blue-green, and I just love this. It's so pretty. It really reminds me of like mermaid colors. And then I have a gold. And I'm going to roll out my clay again because I would like to incorporate some more colors. So I also have a beautiful blue, silver, and like a pink purple. So I'm going to roll this out and we will get some more done. Okay, so here are all our beautiful colors. And the next step that we're going to do is we are going to tear these all up and keep them all in a pile. And yes, some of your glitter is going to come off, and that's okay. Just tear them up. Okay, so now that you have all your pieces torn up, get your clay, your black clay. This is rolled out to my middle section also. So you want both of your things rolled out to the middle section. And then we are just going to take our pieces and layer them right next to each other and some on top of each other. So it'll give it this really cool look. If you take notice, I am overlapping one part of it. So like this is overlapping that section there on the top. And that will show the dark underneath your piece. And that's going to help bring all this together. These little tears go a long way too. It really makes a lot. Okay, so we're finally finished with that. Let me cut that off. Put that off to the side. Now I'm going to get my roller, and I want to roll my pieces and get them nice and securely down onto my clay. All right, so I have my cutters, and I am going to cut out my pieces. And this is going to be a really cool statement piece. And I want to try to get, with the smaller cutters, as many of the colors together. So that one has like a bunch of colors together. And then I want to do a pair of matching earrings. So cut out all your pieces and then put them in the oven at 275 because this is all Primo clay. If you have a different clay, follow your instructions. And then I'm going to bake mine for a half hour, and then we'll come back and finish these up. All right, guys, all my pieces are complete and I am super happy with them. These ones are still drying, so I will show you those last. But I'll show you first this set of earrings. Look how beautiful these are. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the stack design, and I love how this glitter came out with these earrings. Just absolutely beautiful. And then I made 3 pairs of these. I am absolutely in love with these. Look at this pink and how it turns like a purple. And same thing with the blue. It does like a green blue. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I love these. So I did put UV resin on these. I also did gold paint marker on the sides as well. Took me a while to sand everything down and, you know, resin everything. And then I put gloss on the back. But this is the star. Look how gorgeous this necklace is. I love this necklace. I cannot wait to wear this, and I really think this is a one-of-a-kind unique piece. And then the earrings, of course, I had to do matching earrings, and I made sure to stick with the same color pattern for the earrings so they match beautiful. Just stunning. I love them. And then I'll carefully show you this because this isn't dry all the way. But this set was pretty cool. I really like this cutter set. It's just really, really unique. And unfortunately, I got this as a gift, and I cannot remember who gave this cutter set to me, so I cannot link that in my description for you. But I will link everything else for you if you're interested. But I really hope you guys enjoy creating these pieces with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!